guys, so we are going to be trying snacks from the MunchPak, and all of these snacks in this box are from different countries. So let's dig in. I'm gonna try to multitask with the baby. Let's see how this is. So you get this card on the inside of the box. And what's the first snack? The Windy City Mix. The first one we see is the Windy City Mix, and I'll let you read the rest of that.
It says they are Chicago Gold Popcorn Windy City Mix made in the USA. So the first pick is something made here.
Okay, so you want to try those ones? Because I can't eat popcorn. Say baby can't try them.
Oh, it looks like cheese popcorn and caramel popcorn in there too.
Oh, that's cool. So it's cheese, I don't know if you can see it. It's cheese and caramel.
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
So this is a thumbs up. Okay, what's our next one?
Oblita Noir. Chocolate Noir wafers. This is from Argentina. They're crunchy chocolate wafers filled with vanilla cream.
And this is what the package looks like. And let's see. Is there milk in this? Probably.
Do they know about your dairy insensitivity?
No, they don't.
You might want to point that out.
Anyway, so I have to watch what I try because I'm lactose intolerant, and I also cannot eat popcorn. So things that have dairy in them or that are popcorn related, my mother will have to be trying. And this is a dairy item, so you get to try this one. Hi, is that exciting?
I don't have to eat the whole thing though, right?
No.
Just small.
You just gotta try it.
Okay. They are wafers.
So these look just like the wafers that you can buy at the store. What are those called? You know what I'm talking about? And you can get them in different colors, but like vanilla and strawberry and stuff, it looks just like those. But these are from Argentina?
Yes.
Okay.
They don't, they smell different.
Oh no. Okay. How is it? Does it taste the same? Like what we could just go to the grocery store and buy?
No.
Or is it different?
This has a very bitter, it's not like a dark chocolate flavor. Let's just put these ones back.
Thumbs up, thumbs down? Thumbs down.
Just not my flavor palette.
Okay. Let's see. The next item that we are going to try are Marol.
Yeah.
Marol. And they look like this. Does it say where these are from?
Yep.
Malaysia. And I think these are ones that don't have dairy in it. Contains wheat. Oh, no, another dairy item. Sorry.
I'm gonna have such a stomachache later. Okay, so they are crunchy cookie wafer filled with chocolate cream.
And these look just like a similar thing that we can buy.
They smell like milk chocolate.
Good?
That I would eat.
So it's like a wafer that's rolled up, and then it's got the chocolate on the inside. And it was a thumbs up for her. Okay. The next item is Belgian style chips. Right? Beijing from China. And these are chips from China. Whoa. Am I gonna be able to open it? No, you might have to open these.
In a plastic tray.
Oh, I can't get the rest.
Did you read what flavor they're supposed to be?
They're crispy chocolate. You want to pass me that bottle? Hold on, let me get you a baba.
I can't reach it.
Okay, hold the baby.
I got the baby. We're coming for you, Bean. Yeah.
The struggles of trying to make a video with the baby. Okay.
Let's see what flavor these are because I'm scared of some things. They say crispy chips with rich flavor like Chinese style barbecue.
So they come in this plastic tray. And I can try these ones.
They sound crunchy.
I really like these.
Are they good?
These are really good. It's like a barbecue potato chip, but like kind of remind you of eating an Asian stir fry.
Yeah. Can get a little bit of stir fry, kind of, oddly enough.
Okay.
Okay. And the next item, French crepe. And it says it's strawberry flavored. And it's from France. Light and fluffy crepes filled with sweet strawberry jam. Non-GMO, no artificial flavors, and all that good stuff.
Nice. Let's see.
I think I looked at that. I didn't see dairy in it.
Nope, milk.
Come on now.
Does it smell good?
It smells good.
Oh, it does smell good. It smells like strawberry jam. I'm not sure how I feel about a crepe though from a package.
Well, it said something in there. I thought it said that it was previously frozen.
Let's see. Yeah, there's definitely like jam in it. What do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
It's got a different flavor. I mean, would I go out of my way to buy it?
So, thumbs down. And the next one, oh, these look good. These are candy covered peanuts, salty, sweet, and crunchy from Mexico.
You should be able to try these.
Yeah.
I remember we had something like this. We probably still do. I think they call them the baked beans or something. But it's not like canned baked beans. It's the candy baked beans. Okay, the packaging's...
The packaging is like...
They're on point with that.
Okay, so they're like these red covered peanuts. They're okay. Would I buy them? Thumbs down.
These are what a lot of people around my generation might enjoy.
Yeah. I wouldn't get them. It's not my type of thing. I'm also not really into peanuts, so that might be another thing. Jesus. Potato cracker. Extra crunchy. Cha-cha oven baked potato crackers, wasabi flavor. Crunchy baked wasabi flavored crackers. And this is from China. And then... Oh, and I can try these. I have a bag. So I'm gonna let you open those while I
Yeah, because you can try these. I'm not so sure about the wasabi. Inside the container is a little plastic tube filled with crackers. There you go.
Oh, did you give up on eating? Go ahead. You got your papa? Okay. Ooh, these look like Ritz crackers. Not Ritz crackers, but what are those? Ha!
Cheez-Its.
Ha! Oh, awful. Take a baby. Take a baby. Thumbs down. That was awful. Oh.
The wasabi flavor's not your favorite.
That's awful.
When I pulled those out, I was like, these don't look like they'd have dairy in them. They'd be a win for you.
I mean, if you like wasabi flavored stuff, if that is your thing, go for it because it literally reminds me of, what do you call those? Cheez-It crackers. They look just like a Cheez-It,
That's what I was
but
thinking.
it's full wasabi.
Oh,
Hi, Bugaboos.
did you burp her?
Nope, not yet. Okay, you burped the baby. We tried to film this while she was sleeping. It didn't happen.
Babies. Okay. Kajillions. These are from China. They're blue raspberry. They kind of look like our nerds.
What's in them?
I did not see dairy.
I can eat these. Woo woo. Try our other flavors. So they also come in strawberry, green apple, and watermelon. And they do resemble kind of like a nerd. Oh, you perfect. Okay.
Figured you could try. I might as well multitask.
Okay, let's see if I can open this. I don't know that I can open this.
He's smiling. You want to get a burp? You want to get a burp?
Okay. I'm struggling with that package.
Okay, you keep the burp. Wow, okay.
I know, right? Do we need scissors?
I don't want to resort to using my teeth.
No, okay, scissors it is. I'm just gonna grab another potato chip.
I'll still try, but...
You know, I feel like those potato chips are literally like eating a store fry.
They do kind of resemble that flavor. Wait, I think I may have gotten somewhere. Oh, there's more plastic.
Hi, honey.
I shall cut the end off.
Okay. Just a little. Okay, so they're a little bit bigger than
Ooh,
the nerds that you would buy, and these are blue raspberry.
blue raspberry.
They do smell
They smell
like
amazing.
blue raspberry. Oh,
Oh, not like nerds.
it's a chewy. So, it's kind of shaped and made like a nerd. A little bit bigger than a nerd, I think.
Wow.
But it's chewy. Thumbs up. Those are good. And like I said, they do come in a couple different other flavors. Strawberry, green apple, and watermelon. Those are good.
Those are good. Okay. This is Nutella ×2. Nutella. Crunchy bread-shaped wafers filled with sweet Nutella cream. This product's from Poland.
I
Dairy.
don't think I can eat that one.
Great, because this is going to go perfect right after those great little blueberry things.
That was it packaged.
Oh, okay.
Is it like double packaged? Oh yeah, it is because there's two
Well,
of them in there.
I do like that they wrap things securely. That way it doesn't get crushed during shipping.
So then you get two packages in that. Whoop. You get two packages. Oh, these look like they're gonna be good. I wish I could eat it. There's that. Okay.
Well, I shall do the dirty deed for you. Different texture. And they smell kind of
They
good.
look like, let me see. Oh, is this?
It's like a bar.
Oh, let me take it out.
This is like little sections of a bar.
Okay, so go ahead and break a piece.
Oh.
Ooh,
Okay, they
that
come
looks
out that way, but
really
I like
good.
crunchy and creamy.
I'm just gonna say that's a thumbs up because it looks amazing and I wish I could try it.
That's good.
It does look really good. Okay. The next, I'll let you read that because I do not know what I'm reading on that package.
It's got food in my mouth. Okay, the next one's, it's a good sized package here too. I'm guessing I didn't think I seen dairy when I looked at these though. Chester Tortellinis Amarini, Brazil. It looks like they're strawberry filled crackers.
Amores.
Crunchy tortilla. I'm sorry, no tortilla. Crunchy vanilla cookies filled white with strawberry cream.
Okay, let's double check that for
It's
Jerry.
food in my teeth and
Oh, sorry, that is. I don't like it that their label's kind of covered.
I did not see chocolate when I could read what.
It's not chocolate, it's dairy.
Dairy. Again, packaging is wait, there's an open thing.
Ingredients: wheat flour, powder. Okay, oh no, there is milk. Crap.
Okay, just before I was starting to rip into them, there is a little tag.
Whoa, uh-oh.
2 down.
Cookies down. Oh, they look cute.
Ooh, they smell good.
They do smell good. And show what the cookie looks like before you get into it. But they do smell really good.
It's a little wafer with a little bit of strawberry cream on top.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
I'd probably buy them. I mean, it might be good to put on a platter. I'm sure kids would love them.
Alrighty. What are we down to?
We are down to
Is that the last thing?
the last one, and it's an item from Turkey. Based on it being chocolate, milk product, she's not going to be able to try it.
I'm just going to sit here and eat these chips.
Go for it. Okay, so this one says hazelnut and cocoa. Soft and fluffy cocoa cake with crunchy hazelnuts inside. That sounds good.
Oh, it sounds good. All the good stuff, of course, I can't eat. What do you think?
Smells very dark chocolatey from the first impression.
That is chocolatey. I don't know.
Okay, so
It looks like a cupcake.
it looks like a cupcake. It's very moist. That's good.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
And where was that from?
This is from Turkey. The little pieces of hazelnut in there are very
How many
good.
snacks were there?
There was 10.
There's 10. So 10 snacks came in this MunchPak box. And we did try all 10. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to try most of them due to being lactose intolerant. That is the inside of the box. And for those that don't know, this is my mother. She goes by Mimi. You guys have probably seen her in the background or probably heard her voice in some of the vlogs. So now you have a face with the name Mimi.
Once in a while.
Once in a while. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will definitely leave a link down below so you guys can purchase this. This wasn't sponsored or anything. We purchased this with our own money. It's similar to like the Yum box that you see a lot of people doing. So we kind of just wanted to try something else that people haven't really seen.
Those chips are amazing.
They are. The chips are really good.
Wow.
So go ahead and check the description. We will leave the link down below. Make sure you check that iCard and watch that video up
These
there.
are a win.
We did announce our giveaway winner just the other day. What was it? Like a day ago? On the 1st, we announced our winner as Brittany Butler. Congratulations, you did win the Urban Decay Naked Palette and the Setting Spray. And we hope that you really enjoy that. Thank you everyone for subscribing. Like this video and leave a comment down below. Say bye!